Well, hello, YouTube. It's me, Tri-State EDC, with a little Civivi pouch. Now, this comes to me not by Android Goat, but by way of Mr. Ryan Smock himself. Apparently, it's... Hold on. It's something I've never heard of before. It's called the Mundus Carmen. I don't know. But we're going to try something new here in the intro. I'm going to show you what I'm carrying today, because I thought that would be fun. First off, pen. Oz Machine Co. Bolt Action. I don't know if this has a name other than Oz Machine Co., the people that make the Roosevelt. It's their Bolt Action. It's a really tiny little pen that takes a full-size GT refill, and I love that. Second off, this is my secondary carry. This is the ABW slip joint, full titanium, American-made, $150. I love it. And my main carry is something new. This is the new budget Tri-Stash. Prototype. It's not gonna, some changes need to be made, but that's what I've been carrying, using, loving, abusing a little bit. It's really good. These are Kubi prototypes, and I'm really pumped to get that project cooking. You know what I mean? So there you go. That's my carry today. Anyway, let's see what's in the pouch together right now. That's right, mystery Civivi pouch. Mundus? Okay. Mundus. Oh. Okay. For future me, press lock, Mundus Carmen, M390 titanium. I love a knife that comes with a laser etched titanium COA card. Designed by Andoris, date 2024. What? Is it the same people that do the Orca? I'm pretty sure it is. Future Me, Orca, same company? Okay, we have a lot to work through here. First off, can we talk about as if it's not ridiculous enough, we have to start somewhere. The pocket clip placement is here on the back spine, but it shoots over. We have this thing. We have the crescent moon jimped thing. Thumb studs. Just the most absurd milling and drilling and texturing. And all of this. What is all of this? What is going on? Lanyard loop. I know what that is. Okay. Obviously an insane blade tucked away. Size comparison. This thing's a freaking spatula. Closed. Look at this. PM2. That is a slip joint. Where's my pair 3? Pair 3. Right in between these two lengthwise, but I mean about an inch taller than both. Absolute. It's a freaking, skillet in comparison to these two knives. As far as surface area goes. Okay. Pop her open. Oh, it feels okay. I was about to say it feels normal. Doesn't look normal. Recurve Tonto? Renanto, perhaps? Comment section, you do your thing. You come up with a name for this blade shape, because I have no idea. Wow. What? I still don't know what all the pistons and what is all this? Also, I'm realizing there's no hardware. None. No visible hardware. At all. How? Okay, let's just do what we know first off. Size comparison opened up. I'm flummoxed. I'm flabbergasted. My gasts have been flabbered. This is absurd. Again, right in between these two lengthwise, but again, it's a cast iron skillet in comparison. It's absurd. Okay, choking on it. It's so crazy. I'm choking on the goddamn. Wild. Well, let's talk about ergos before we even attempt to close this thing. In hand. Okay. In hand, choke back, easy 4-finger grip. I mean, it's a good sized knife for EDC. As weird as it is, that feels surprisingly comfortable. I'm not angry about it. The clip placement being way up here at the top, obviously I'm getting stabbed in the palm with that top point right there. But all things considered, it's relatively comfortable. Like, ergonomic lines are really solid. I'm locked in. Obviously, there's no choil. It's just a big wheel of death. So you can choke up right about here, thumb out, and nestle in behind the poon. I forgot there's also a poon. So recurve tanto poon. Reconto. Nailed it. Comment section, you let me know. There's also a little dimple right there for your thumb. That actually feels very good. Ergonomically speaking, as absurd as this looks, I'm impressed. I don't know what else to say. Okay, pinch grip, no, not happening. Pencil grip, also, I doubt it. So yeah, normal grip feels good. Get up on the wheel, thumb out on the blade, that feels good too. Otherwise, that's it. That's all you got. Now, how? Oh shit, no, shot. You just push up? Okay. Action. That was way easier than I expected. There's this little, we couldn't figure out what that was earlier, this little thing. You just push that forward. You push it in or down or forward, and it just guillotine shut. And I have to tell you, detent, exceptional. Reverse flick, incredible. Thumb flick, lovely. I believe, nope, front flipper, hold on. Yeah. Oh, and the acoustics? Okay, it's on bearings. It's a freaking guillotine. Please tell me you can hear this. Bing. Oh. Oh. Oh, I live for stuff like this, dude. You review as many knives as I have, and you get to a point where it takes a lot to really knock your socks off. Hello. Yeah, so I'm genuinely not sure how this whole system of pistons and things work. I don't know. I'm trying to, okay, all right, I can see some movement. So you press down/forward on this little jimped area right here, and that depresses this piston. What happens after that, I have no idea, other than I just think that this is just a really pretty spring, right? Think of this as like an MSI, Microtech MSI, but instead of pulling back and actuating a spring, you're pushing down and actuating a piston. The lockup happens up here, where it clamps into the blade. Wild, dude. Blown away. Also, no clue how you would even begin to get this thing apart. Like, I have nary the slightest idea. I have no idea how you would take this apart. But it's so solid. Lockup is crazy. Wow. The Mundus Carmen, absolutely flummoxed. I don't know what else to say. Just absolutely blown away. One of the wildest. It's January, early January 2025. I'll donate $100 to charity if I see something crazier than this year. $100 to charity. Your pick. Let me know in the comment section. We already raised $1,400 for St. Jude over the holidays. Thank you to everybody that donated. I'll donate $100 of my own money if I see anything relatively close to as crazy as this throughout the rest of this year. Okay, well, we gotta cut something. Blade steel is not... is M390. The retail price on this was $850. The clip acts as a tuning fork. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we heard it, pal. I heard it. I hope everybody else did. Let me grab some paper. We gotta see if this thing cuts. Will it cut the Mundus, Carmen? Yes. Yeah. I've reviewed crazy knives. What happens 99 times out of 100 is they're not usable. They don't function well. They're just crazy for crazy's sake. This knife works. It functions. The action's incredible. The lockup's solid. The acoustics are amazing. It cuts like a dream. It's relatively comfortable to hold and carry. And yet it looks like this. I can't impart onto you how hard that is to do, to make a knife this absurd and also somehow functional. It's almost an impossible task. Blown away. Round of applause. Yeah, $850 is a shitload of money, but that's a mind-boggling amount of engineering went into this. So I totally get it. And machining and just everything. Crazy. Links down below if I can find it. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I'm out there. I don't know, therapy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.